lights, front, back. You're gonna put a lot of scratches on it. The car, you can use it on all your like few weeks, 3 or 4. Very first step, rinse your car with a pressure washer to get rid of any loose dirt on it. Now, with the help of a foam gun, spray a thick layer of foam over the car. Make sure you have covered all the body of your car and wait for almost 5 minutes or 10 minutes before you rinse the car again. There we are. Looks like the soap has done the magic. It's looking nice and clean. Once it's like sitting there for 5 minutes, then you need to start rinsing the car. Make sure you rinse it properly. Make sure there is no soap left under the body, under the wheels, lights, front, back. Make sure you clean everywhere properly.
Wanna feel it. Rage, money, power, money, power,
Now, after washing the car, the next step is to dry the car. A lot of people use vacuum cleaners. There are a lot of pumps. You can take the water off from the car. I don't do it. I would prefer a drying towel, and this is the process I follow to clean all my cars, because if you rub it, you're gonna put a lot of scratches on it. The car is clean though, but I would say this is the best way. You don't have to put too much pressure on it. Just nice and easy, but still you have to rub it a little bit here and there, just to make sure the water is completely off. Yeah, just see the whole process how we do this.
money driven, major fraud, breathless body, diamond bones, wanna be it, wanna feel it.
will be how you gonna clean your glass. There is a lot of glass on your car. A lot of people use like microfiber clothes. Everyone has their own way, but I will always use Kasha. It's a window cleaner. It's like a window vacuum cleaner. You can use it on all your windows on your house, but I love this because it will leave your glass like brand new. There will be nothing left, just a bit of water around the glass, which you can clean it with the microfiber cloth. That's not an issue at all. It will be like a streak free clean. There will be no stains left on your glass. That's the beauty of it. You can see how easy it is to do it. It comes with a lot of blades, wide blades, small blades. I always use this one. It's rechargeable, and the link is in the description. You can order one. It's a very handy tool to have, and yeah, it saves you from a lot of hard work. Alright, after having a tea, had a bit of a break, you can use any kind of spray on your tire. I always use this liquid. It's in the description. You can have a look. It's good. It gives you a nice shine. It lasts you for like few weeks, 3 or 4 weeks easy.